Bespoke Solarfoil is a fully customizable solar foil for energy harvesting to autonomous devices and building integration. It is manufactured with a groundbreaking production method, enabling flexible material, high freedom of designs including voltage, increased energy yields, and reasonable costs at low to medium-sized production lots. Sunplugged has developed its own proprietary technology since 2010, based on R&D projects, to produce it in its factory in Austria. EU has the ambition of leading on renewable energy worldwide, reaching a contribution of 27% over energy consumption and 40% greenhouse gas emissions reduction by 2030. Photovoltaics is one of the main technologies to reach this objective. However, in the last decades, EU has a very negative trade balance with countries in Eastern Asia, mainly with China, on the photovoltaics market. The only opportunity to overcome the situation is to encourage European manufacturing to take advantage of advanced manufacturing technologies. On the other hand, there is an increasing claim for made-to-measure photovoltaics to include them in products of multiple sectors to obtain self-powered devices, wireless sensors, consumer electronics, automotive, textile, and building. Energy harvesting includes diverse emerging technologies, electrodynamics, piezoelectrics, thermoelectrics. But solar energy is one of the most promising nowadays, and this high freedom of designs and voltages are the most requested by customers. Our technology is based on first, hybrid sputtering evaporation process to manufacture high-efficiency advanced material for solar cells, and second, monoscribe interconnection, which comprises scribing on the solar cell with a short pulse laser and printing of a dielectric layer and conductive circuits. With this value proposition, we are unique in the market to provide digitally controlled on-the-fly, with minimum setup times and costs to deliver complete freedom on voltage required by customers. Other competitive solutions are not capable of production at such low cost as Sunplugged or short lots, warranting the same energy yield. For instance, in the case of Ascent Solar or Fleesum, their business model is not oriented to particular customization for each client since they focus on volume. Sunplugged's low-cost production permits them to get enough margin to offer made-to-measure service. Bespoke Solarfoil is a flexible solar fabric, customizable, shape, size, voltage, with high efficiency, at an affordable cost, at a competitive price up to 50% lower than conventional solutions. Nowadays, we have a lab-scale capacity, and we apply to SME Instrument Phase 2 to lead it towards industrial manufacturing capacity of 1.8 megawatt peak, which will provide fully commercial and competitive solutions. Sunplugged is a pioneer in a huge emerging market that can become a blue ocean. Based on real requests from the market, we have pivoted our B2B business model, phasing in 3 steps. 1. To serve autonomous, self-powered devices at €4 per watt peak, using early adopters to spread the good news about our bespoke solar foil. 2. To penetrate building-integrated photovoltaics, a more competitive sector that accepts a lower price of €2 per watt peak, but 10 times the size. 3. Licensing of technology to original equipment manufacturers when market will become more mature and competitive in order to keep a leading position. Thanks to the Bespoke Solarfoil project, Sunplugged aims to achieve an €18 million turnover by 2023, with a net present value of €4,490,531 and a payback of 3.68 years, creating more than 45 new jobs directly and 300 indirectly. Andreas Zimmermann, CEO and main investor, has more than 20 years' experience as a technological entrepreneur. He also provides his background as mechanical engineer, focused in product design and quality management. Solar cell development is headed by Daniel Huber. Daniel holds a PhD in applied physics from the University of Innsbruck, being an expert in plasma deposition processes and thin film characterization. And the full process operation is headed by Slimani Goban, who holds a PhD in physics and energy from the University of Joseph Fourier in Grenoble. Nikolaus Weinberger is responsible for material characterization and quality systems. He holds a PhD in material properties. Birgit Stauder is in charge of financial management, and she also provides her knowledge in commercialization and marketing as an MBA. The entire technical team has been involved in several national and international R&D projects,